Maintenance. If you don't go to it, it'll come to you. Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by for a green thought from the greenhouse. Just had my watering hose bust a leak and reminded me that there are things that you can proactively take care of. Like, yes, you can just plan on replacing your hose every year. And also, you just can't quite perfectly time every bit of maintenance. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, some things are going to happen that you didn't foresee and require you to, adjust accordingly, basically, and go get another hose before you can finish watering, for example. And life is just full of endless examples like that of unexpected things breaking down or new elements of chaos. I'm paranoid. I think it's just the pond pump over there is sounding different suddenly. So perhaps something else is happening to needing my attention. And that's just the way life is. It is true that sometimes it seems like the old saying, when it rains, it pours, or things happen in threes. I don't know if that's just that we humans look to connect dots, and so I'm going to now be looking for other things. It's probably just that I'm keying into a normal fluctuation in sound because of the unexpected leak that just occurred. In any case, just my green thought for the day from the greenhouse is to expect the unexpected. Part of the maintenance routine is having a little flex time, a little cushion, at least a little room in your threshold for managing stresses, for those unexpected leaks and breakdowns and mishaps and mistakes that are bound to occur. Banana. Poor banana tree is not been thrilled with the cooler temps. Supposed to get back up to higher temps this week though, so we have that to look forward to. As always, you can let me know what you think of any of that in the comment section. You can check out the description for ways of connecting with me and supporting with me. I got some t-shirts and some books and some other things. Check it out. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I wish you lightheartedness, peaceful conflict resolution, amazing adventures. Don't forget to play every day and drive forward.